everybody, this is Troy. This is a demo of Camtasia MAC. It's a Mac specific feature that allows you to cover up issues like this. Maybe you're making a recording and some pop-up comes up over here in the right hand corner and you're like, oh man, I was so close, I almost made that recording. You go into the visual effects and it's called the freeze region, and I'm going to click it and I'm going to drag it on to the area, and then I'll resize it. Oops, not that. There we go. Grab the handlebars. Cool. And let's see how it works. Nope. Let's put it just a little bit sooner here on the timeline. There we go. So this is this yellow bar is showing when it's going to come on. So I could have it be on the whole time, or just maybe on a part of the time. It's got two parts to it. One is where it's on the screen, and then the other is when the effect comes on in the timeline. So it looks now like, there you go. Now there is one like drawback here. Very, very small. Like down over here in this video, this should be adjusting over time. You can see that this is moving as this shape is moving, but then it freezes over here because I froze it. So if that's the case, you can try and do, nope. So there may be a small sacrifice that you make in using that, but my guess is that the sacrifice is worth it because you just saved yourself a re-recording.